Every specialized workshop needs adequate equipment for multi-brand electronic diagnosis in order to be able to perform successfully both scheduled and extraordinary maintenance on a motorbike. In fact, even the most basic function of modern motorbikes and scooters are activated by electronic control units. For example, a Ducati bike may show up at the workshop as its owner reports shutdowns, mainly while decelerating. This problem does not generate any visible errors in the control units. The mechanic's job is then to find out what could be the problem and where it is located. This can be done by reading the result of the activation AIS test and abnormal values of certain parameters. The graph displayed during the activation phase is really useful. Through the oscillation of the oxygen sensor value, it clearly shows how the control unit is trying to correct the different airflow that is due to the activation of the AIS valve. Therefore, also thanks to this graph, it is possible to analyze if the sensors are working properly. For a successful procedure, it's essential to have the Texa diagnostic interface associated, of course, with Texa's IDC5 software. First of all, connect the Navigator TXB Evolution tool to the bike, then launch the activation AIS test. After the message "Not OK", move to the parameter page to check for abnormal values. After performing the operation required, repair the damaged bypass duct or the faulty AIS valve. Then run the activation AIS test again, this time successfully. Thanks to wiring diagrams, technical bulletins and guided troubleshooting procedure available in its tools, Texa allows mechanics to solve more faults in less time. With a coverage of over 95% of electronic systems on the market, Texa is the specialist of multi-brand diagnosis.